collaboration in terms of progression of students for 2+2 programs, for 3+1 programs. It could be PhD provision. It could be research collaboration. It could be staff exchange, student exchange, or anything else that your particular institution is looking for in terms of collaboration. The reason why we're doing this kind of event is because up to now there really still isn't that much engagement between Indonesian and UK universities. Indonesian universities engage a lot with Australian universities, even in Europe, with Germany, with the Netherlands, with Japan, with South Korea, with Taiwan. But relatively speaking, there isn't that much engagement with the UK, which is a shame because there are many, many opportunities. I see so many people here today very, very keen to work with Indonesian institutions. So we have a lot of representatives here representing 6 UK universities, and we have a number of representatives here representing a wide range, and we're still waiting for some to come. But we have representatives from Yogyakarta, from Solo, from anywhere else? Sorry? Salatiga? Oh, Buta Wacana. Yeah, sorry, not Satya Wacana. And we actually were expecting somebody from Bandung as well. But thank you very much for taking the time to come, especially those of you who've come from outside Georgia. So before we start the first presentation, what I'd like to do is just to ask each person on the panel here just to briefly introduce themselves so that you know who they are.
Good morning, my name is Graham Howe. I am the Head of Engineering at University of Wales, Trinity St David, based in Swansea.
Good morning, my name is Andrew Thorne. I am the Programme Director for the MSc Engineering Programmes at the University of Wales, Trinity St David.
Good morning, my name is Adam Jones. I'm the Student Admissions and Recruitment Manager for Engineering at Swansea University.
Good morning, my name is David Naumann. I'm also from Swansea University and I am a researcher in the area of aerospace.
Yeah, and good morning to you as well. My name is Johannes Bendick from Cardiff University. I'm the Director of International for the School of Engineering.
Hi there, good morning. Ravindra Jaratna from Ministry of East London. I'm a Senior Lecturer in Civil Engineering and also I'm a Program Leader for BSc on Civil.
Good morning, my name's Eric. I'm from De Montfort University in Leicester and I'm an academic in engineering.
Very good morning to you all. My name is Stefan Prest. I'm the University of Lincoln's International Officer for Southeast Asia.
Good morning, Assalamu alaikum wa
Waalaikumsalam.
I'm Kelvin Jones from the University of East London. I'm one of the senior international managers there.
Okay, thank you. So this morning we're going to have presentations from each institution. Will last for 15 to 20 minutes, and there'll be an opportunity for questions following that presentation. So do please engage as much as you can. Ask anything that you think might be relevant or useful for you at the end of each presentation. And I ask everybody here on the panel, at the end of it, when the question's asked, please do feel free again to add anything that you think is relevant as well. So not just the presenting institution. Okay, can we start now with you? With University of East London. Sorry, was that you? Oh, okay. Give us a shout when you want to move the...
Bismillah.
Good morning, everyone. So, welcome to this university and our presentation today. So, I'm from the University of East London, and this is my colleague, who's one of the faculty members from the university as well. And we're just going to be talking briefly through our slides this morning. So, just as an overview of our university, we currently have a very diverse population of students from around 160 different countries, including staff and students. We're a very original university and one of the newer universities within the country, although we have a history which dates back to the late 1800s as well. Our current faculties of architecture, computing and engineering are ranked top 11 in the UK for student experience under a new results that came out recently. And our location is London, which of course is the most exciting destination in the world, apart from Indonesia of course. And we're located very close to the financial centres of Canary Wharf, and our particular location in East London is a very diverse, vibrant, interesting location to be based as well. So we have two main campus locations. One is in Stratford, which is the site of where the Olympics was a few years ago, not the current one. And we're a campus-based university, which is quite unusual for London as well. So within our three campus locations, we have faculties in architecture, computing and engineering, arts and digital industries, and other areas as well, including business and law. So if any of your faculty members from other departments would like to connect with us, these are the areas that we actually cover. And we can talk more about that when we meet later. So specifically architecture, computing and engineering, our specialisations are architecture and design, specifically the professional qualifications, REBA Part 1 and Part 2, for computing, computer science and information security, and for engineering, civil, construction, mechanical and surveying. So,
basically all our programs are accredited by the professional bodies. So if you look at the first one, it is a ARB, and also RILB stands for the Royal Institute of British Architects and so on. And also, for example, if you take the civil engineering programs, the accredited by the Institution of Structural Engineers, Institution of Civil Engineers and so on. So that if you look at programs like BSc, and then the BEach, we have Bachelor of Engineering, and then the Masters all being accredited. The employment partners, they play a significant role in our programs. For example, they come to UL twice a year, and then they talk about the internships, and so how to find the guest speakers, and also the placements. For example, if you look at the Crossrail, it's one of the biggest European construction projects at the moment, which started somewhere around 2009 all the way going up to 2018-19. So some of our graduates, they work in Crossrail at the moment, and some of the companies like Atkins, so these are the pioneers in the construction industry and so on. Apprenticeships, actually, that's quite a new scheme introduced by the government quite recently, and we are in the process of recruiting students for the programs like, or the areas like construction management, civil engineering, architecture, design technology, and also the digital technology. So as I said before, all the industrial partners, so they play a significant role in terms of having or maybe sending their apprentices to the university.
okay. So just very briefly, research at the architecture, computing, engineering faculty revolves around solving some of the global challenges of the world. So that includes areas such as building a sustainable world for future generations, reducing poverty, clean power and energy, image processing, mobile technology and communications, and secure cyberspace. The doctoral research areas, and I know some of you may be interested in this, are mentioned just here. So in architecture, there are a few different streams that people can study. Civil engineering includes areas such as structure, construction, coastal engineering, which my colleague is a faculty member of, surveying, computer science, informatics, and a range of other areas as well. So the aim really is to offer students an education that transforms their lives and also transforms the society that they're based in as well. So this is the main focus of our research, to contribute towards building smart cities and future cities which are built on a sustainable platform. So why UEL? Why should you collaborate with UEL in this particular area? We're currently second in London for architecture. We're 11th in the UK for faculty. Our national student survey results were 98% overall for student satisfaction in this particular area. And our faculty members for areas like architecture are nationally and internationally recognised with awards like the Turner Prize, which is primarily for art, which faculty members from architecture achieve. All of our programs are professionally accredited, including some with international accreditation as well, and it is an overall award-winning school. We have state-of-the-art facilities, and our graduates go very quickly into employment with high first salaries as well. So, specifically the National Student Survey, we rose 36 places in the most recent National Student Survey, and our overall satisfaction rate was well above the 86% sector average. Many of our undergraduate degrees achieved over 90% student satisfaction as well. And the architecture, which I'm not sure are there any architecture faculty members here, or is it more engineering? So some of the projects that we've contributed towards, or our students have actually developed, include a device which was specifically made for forming wooden, and it was supposed to save water as part of that process, and other projects which include anti-collision drones. In the UK, we've started developing drone technology to the point where it is being used for deliveries now as well, and we're planning to increase that. So the technology around anti-collision is very important. And now my colleague is just going to go through some of the profiles of some of the students who graduated from the university.
Okay, Barbara, and she was one of our extended degree students. So she spent the 4 years, basically those who haven't had enough the numerical skills, what they can either take the foundation degree or the extended degree. So she started with the extended degree, and then halfway through,